stay still.
It's us.
And that's the life of a bird.
I see you in the mirror.